We're going to try a little Aloha Oi on the soprano. Forgot where I was at. Alright, hold on, try to pay attention. Wasn't too bad. Getting a little bit better and a little bit better. This is a song that I will play for the rest of my life probably because, well, one thing, it's the only song that I know as of right now all the way through. Well, at least I hope I know it all the way through. I guess I guess I need to watch the video after I get done, go back and watch the tutorial, make sure it's kind of close. But anyways, it's something I plan on perfecting for the rest of my life. And well, this last month, well, actually the past few months, but last month I had some things happen and stuff, and well, Aloha Oi, being able to play that song that I had learned on ukulele, to express my feelings during the time, boy, it was just an experience for me. I really, there was a lot of hurt at the time, so I don't know if I can say I really enjoyed it. But you know what I mean? It was nice to be able to express and get some of those feelings out through playing a song instead of crying, And well, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.